Make way for ducklings! Make ways, ducklings! Good morning, fine feathered friends. Happy spring in Maine. Hi, ducklings. Are you guys ready to come out and play? We'll put your soup here for later. I don't think we're going to be able to find many dandelion greens today. Hey, ducklings. Ducklings, it's snowing. Hi, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Whoa. All right, guys. Hi. Good morning, ducklings. I'm going to let Angus out. Angus is in his man cave over here because he's being a little bit of a pill. Good boy. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Gonna do a flight, Angus? Yeah. Angus, you're so good at flying, buddy. All right, ducklings. What do you think of this, guys? Do you think this was over? Do you think we were done with this for the year? What do you think, Mouse? Good ducklings. Hey, Goosey. What do you think, guys? Hi, the goose. All right, guys. Happy spring.